Binary Stream helps growing businesses simplify complex financial and operational processes using innovative solutions embedded in Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP solutions. A dimension is created that will be the company's. Enter a dimension value for each company, then select MEM Entity Setup. Add the general company information, along with a logo in the first few fast tabs. The additional tabs will allow you to set separate numbering series per company. The next step is to complete the MEM setup page. This will tell the system which dimension references the companies and where to enable security for the companies. The tabs below will allow you to have settings per accounts payable, accounts receivable, service management, and inventory. User setup is where each user can be assigned to companies they are allowed to access. This is an example of setting up allocations related to MEM. Per master records, you can determine which company sees which master records. Intercompany setup allows you to create due to, due froms for each company combinations. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Dynamics 365 Business Central can drive efficiency that's scalable, sustainable, and built to last.